Welcome back, children. Today we will discuss the topic that is what we can study now, measurement of volume. This is the chapter 13. So today we'll start a new lesson. Yes, okay. So in this lesson, what we will be learn in this lesson? Okay. So here we will be learn in this lesson. So identify the capacity of the given container. So what are the container they can be given? No, we will be identifying and we will tell that. What we will tell? The capacity, how much capacity of that container having. Okay, and add the given volume. What they can be given? No, those all we will be adding. Subtract the given volume. The next, estimate the volume and then verify the accurate volume by measuring. So estimating volume and also accurate volume also we will be measuring in this lesson. Yes, so these all we will be studying in this lesson. Yes, so the quantity of liquid a container holds is called as a capacity. Yes, what is the meaning of capacity here? The quantity of liquid a container holds is called the capacity of that container. What we can call the capacity of that container. Next point that can be given here. See, what is the meaning of volume? Yes, the quantity of liquid in a container is called volume. Yes. Next point, the standard unit for measuring volume is liter. Yes, so today we will discussing these all the topics here. See, the next point, the symbol of L is used for liter and ml is used for milliliter. Yes, so here see students, what is the meaning of capacity? They can given here the quantity of liquid a container holds. The quantity of liquid, how much container it can be holding capacity. So it's a fill up capacity, how much is there though, that we can call as capacity. The liquid container it can be holds how much capacity. It means the quantity of how much it can be holding that we can call as a capacity of that container. Okay, next point, what is the meaning of volume? The meaning of volume means here the quantity of a liquid in a container. That container, whatever you can take, that container having how much quantity of liquid, that we can call as a volume. Yes, next point, the standard unit for measuring volume. What we can be calling that one? That standard measuring unit is, the volume measuring unit is liter. Yes, okay. The symbol of liter, so symbol of L means liter. The symbol of is liter, symbol is L. And here ml means milliliter, that is also symbol. Yes, that we can be using milliliter. Understood this point? Okay. They can given here, see students, 1 liter means here L. Okay, L is equal to how much milliliter? 1000 ml. Okay, so R we can call as a milliliter. Second one they can given that 1 liter. Second one, that is half liter. Half liter is equal to 500 ml. Half means what? Thousands half it is. Yes, half means thousands half. How much? 500. Yes. Next, 1/4 liter. 1/4 liter is equal to 250 ml. So 1/4 means here half is there, no? So it's a half. Here see 500 is there, no? The 500 half is how much? 250. So here the liter is only 1/4 part. 1/4 of liter we can call as, that is a 250 ml. Yes. Next, 3/4 liter. So 3/4 liter means how much? 750 ml. So 750 ml means here. So it is a, what it is? Near of liter, no? Yes. So here 500 plus 250 we can get how much? 750. 3/4 liter we can call a 750 ml. Understood? Okay. So they can given here first one, to convert liter into milliliter. Yes. So now we will start. Yes, see what we will do here. To converting a liter, we will convert to milliliter. Yes, so this liter we will be converting into milliliter. So what we will be do here, for an example, first they can given here already 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. First we will write here 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Understood this one? So already that can given here 1 liter means how much milliliters? 1000 milliliters. Yes. So here if it is, we can be taken as 2 liters. If we can taken as 2 liters, so how will be converting to milliliter? So they can already given here 1000. So here 2 liter means here 2 I'll write here. So next what we will be do here? So we will multiplying how much? So converting of liter to milliliter, multiply by 1000. How much we will be multiplying? 1000. So 1000. So here see 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. So here 2 liter we will be converting, how much we can get here? 2000 milliliter. So because what means, what we can did here, so we will multiply by 1000 to a given amount, means given volume. Yes. Okay. So this is, if it is, they can given here 3 liter. So how we will be converting? 3 into how much we will be multiplying here? 1000. Yes. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3. So 3000 ml. Understood this one? Okay. So next they can given here examples. We'll see the example. Yes, example. First one they can given here, convert 8 liter to milliliter. 8 liter to milliliter. Now we will be converting. Yes, so we'll write here 8 liters. So we'll write a symbol 8. So what we will be do? So we will multiply. 8 into how much we will multiplying here? 1000. Because why we will be making 1000 multiplying here? Because 1 liter is equal to how much milliliter? 1000 milliliter. So we will be multiplying 1000. 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8. So answer is 8000 milliliter. Okay. So same way another one example we'll see here. That is, convert 3 liter 20 ml to milliliters. Yes, so they can given here 3 liter 20 ml to converting a milliliter. Yes, what we will be do here? So we will take here 3 liter first. 20 ml. We'll write here. First what we will be do? So this 20 is in ml form only, because it is in a milliliter form only. Only we will be converting liter form what it is there, no? So only this much we will be converting here. First we will write here 3 into 1000 plus 20. See, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3 plus 20. Yes, so answer is 3020 ml. Understood this one? So we can get answer 3020 ml. Understood? So only we will be converting which one? Liter form. Only we will be converting liter. So 20, it means what it is there, no, in a ml, milliliter what it is there, no, we will be keep same, that is after we will be add to that converting milliliter. Understood this one? Okay. So we'll see the exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1. First one they can given here. Write the suitable unit of measurement used in the situations given below. Yes, first one they can given here. So what are the suitable unit of measurement? So those all used in the situation. So which situations we are using these all here? See, first one, kerosene in drum. So they can be given here, fill in the blanks. Second one, milk in a cup. Next, bottle of ink. Water in a bucket. Yes. Next, syrup in a bottle. Yes. So here we can understanding. So we will be write down milliliter and liter. Yes. So kerosene in a drum. A full drum of kerosene. So how much means how we will be measuring that one? Milliliter we are using to measure, or a liter we are using to measure? We are using to measure, that is a liter, because means too much of quantity is there. Yes, so we'll write this is measuring liter. Yes, next one, that is milk in a cup. Cup, how much it's having? Only this much, or it is this much. Okay, so that is having liter. Cup means it's having a liter. Yes, so not it is, because only this much of cup having milliliter. What it having? So it's the cup of milk in a milliliter. Next, bottle of ink. Bottle of ink, you know, that is only this much of bottle. Yes, so it's measuring here. Liter we are using to measure, or milliliter we are using to. If it is a big thing, like it is a kerosene in drum, big drum, so that we will be using to liter. If it is small quantity is very less. Okay, so that quantity very less, but it is volume we are using to measure, that is milliliter. Yes, next one, water in a bucket. Bucket having, it means 8 liters, 10 liters. It's not a quantity milliliters. Milliliters means a jug of water, or as a glass of water, or as, okay, so tumbler of water. So it means we can calling, so this bucket of water means we will be measure. So bucket is little bit, it can be big. Yes, so it's having a liter of water. Okay, yes. Next one, syrup in a bottle. You know that is this much of bottle. Okay, 500 ml, 750 ml, 250 ml. They can be mentioned on the syrup bottle. That's a medicine. Yes, so they can be mentioned on the syrup bottle. So that is a measuring is milliliter. Yes, so that's measure milliliter. Next one, that is second main. Convert the following liter measurements to milliliter. Yes, first one 3 liter, second one 7 liter, third one 2 liter 500 ml, next 6 liter 250 ml. Yes, how we will be converting? So that can given here liter to milliliter we will converting. What we will be do here? So they can be given here liter form. We will be converting milliliter form. What we will done here? So we will multiply by 1000 to a given liter volume. Yes. So okay. So what will be do? It means directly we will write answer. 3 liter means we will be multiplied 3 into 1000. Answer is 3000 milliliter. Okay, same as here. 7 means here 7000 milliliter. Okay, and here see they can be given here 2 liter 500 ml. So here 2 liter they can given here 500 ml they can be given here. What we will be do here? So we will converting like here. See, I'll write here. So 2 liter means 2 liter 500 ml. Okay, 2 liter means 2 into 1000 plus 500. 2000 plus 500. Answer is, add these two, 2500 ml. Yes, so we can get answer is how much? 2500 ml. Same as it is fourth one, that is 6250 ml. Okay, understood that one? Converting of liter to milliliter. Okay. Yes. Next main, they can given you match the following. Third means match the following. Yes, so they can given here the quantity of liquid will convert to a liquid that can be liter, they can be given here mentioned, we will be convert into milliliter form. A, B, here C, it means this is answer. Okay, first one 4 liter, 9 liter, 1 liter, 250 ml, 5 liter, 50 ml, 3 liter, 100 ml. Okay, so now we will be match. A, 3100 ml, B, 5050 ml, C, 4000 ml, D, 9000 ml, E, 1250 ml. Yes, so we will write the answers. See, we will see that directly we will write the answer now here. See, 4 liter means this liter is we will be converting into milliliter. So what we will be do here? Multiplying by 1000. Yes, we can get 4 into 1000 is answer 4000. First one answer is 4000. C1. So first answer we will write here 4000 milliliter, that is C answer. Okay, next one, that is 9 liter. 9 liter means here what we will be do? 9 into 1000. So answer 9000 milliliter. Search here 9000 milliliters. We can get answer second one D, 9000 milliliter. Okay. Next one, here see 1 liter 250 ml, 250 ml like same, leave it is that one. So only 1 liter we will be converting into milliliter. So 1 liter means here how much here? 1000 milliliter. Yes, 1000 milliliter plus how much we will be adding here? 250 we will add to that. 0, 0 plus 5, 0 plus 2, 1 here 1250 ml. C, 1250 ml, that is E. Third one is 1250 ml. Okay, same way that is fourth one, that is here 5 liter means here 5 into 1000, 5050 ml. Yes, here see 5050 ml. B, that is 5050 ml. Okay, answer. Next one, 3 liter 100 ml. 3 liter means here converting of milliliter 3000 milliliter. 3000 plus 100, 3100 milliliter. So 3100 milliliter, 100 milliliter. Understood this one? So they can be given here liter form. We will be the answer B in the B form. What it is there? Converting, that is milliliter form. So we will search the answer and write here. Understood this one? Okay. See. Next we are going that to convert to milliliter into liter. So next we are going to study to convert milliliter into what? Exercise is completed. Yes, that exercise completed. So next topic we will start, that is convert milliliter into liter. Yes, so when we will be converting liter into milliliter, we multiplied by 1000. Yes, but now we will be start converting milliliter into liter. To convert milliliter into liter. Yes, so to converting milliliter into liter. So first one they can given here. First you can remember it. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Understood? So what we will be do here? They can given here 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter, converting here. Understood? So if they can be given here 2000 ml is equal to, how we will be converting? How we will be converting here? So they can given you first 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. They can mention already. So but now we will start 2000 ml is equal to, so we will converting milliliter, we will be converting into liter. What we will be do? So we'll do that milliliter into liter we will be converting. What we will be do? So we will divide by 1000. How much we will be how much we will be dividing here? So we'll divide by 1000. It means we'll write same as it is, 2000 divided by how much we will be dividing here? 1000. Yes, 0 0 cancel, this 0 0 cancel, here 0 0 cancel, only we can get 2 liter. So 2 by 1 means is nothing but a values is 2. Yes, 2 liter. Understood how we will be converting? We will converting a milliliter to liter. What we will be do? We divide it by 1000. So given volume they can be dividing 1000. Okay. Next that is given 3000 ml. Yes, how we will be write first? We'll write 3000 divided by how much we will be dividing here? 1000. So when we will be dividing method we are using? When we will be converting a milliliter into liter, then we are using to divided method. Yes, 0 0. So this 0 0. So only remained 3 liter. So mention the unit, measuring unit. Okay. Okay. So understood this one. So next see the example on the converting milliliter into liter. Example, first one, convert 8000 milliliter to liter. Okay, first we'll write here 8000 ml. So we'll write 8000 divided by 1000. 0 0 0 0 cancelling. Yes, answer is 8. Answer we can get 8 liter. Understood this one? Same way another one example we'll see here. That is example 2. Convert 6860 milliliter to liter. Yes, so we'll write here first 6860 ml is equal to, it means first you can keep in mind only 860 ml we will be keep that side. Okay, only we can take that is 6000 ml. So here 6000 ml divided by 1000 ml. Okay, so what we will do? So we will do cancelling these zeros. So plus how much will be keep here? 860 ml. Okay, so here we will add these two. So we can get here. So this one will be converting no here 6 liter as it is we'll write. So 860 ml. So remaining as it is we'll write here, don't mention here plus. Okay, so only we will adding these all. So 860 ml. So 6 liter 860 ml. Understood this one? How we will be do? So 0 cancelled, only 6 is remaining. We can get it means 6000 ml means we can get answer liter form 6 liter. So 860 ml we will be adding these two. We can get answer 6. If you are adding here same answer we can be get 6860 ml, but only we mentioned here liter form. Yes, 6 liter 860 ml. Understood this one? Okay, so next they can given here the exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2. First one they can given here, convert to liter. First one 5000 ml, 9000 ml, 6000 ml. What we will be do? Direct will write answer now. 5000 ml means divided by 1000. 0 cancelled here. All zeros, 3 zeros cancel. We can get answer only 5 liter. Next, same as it is. 9000 divided by 1000. So zeros cancel. Okay, so we can get only 9. That is 9 liter. Same as 6000 ml is. We'll write 6 liter. Understood this one? Next they can given here second mean, fill up the blanks with suitable words. With suitable words. Yes. So that is first one, 7250 ml is equal to dash liter plus dash milliliter. Second one, 3000 ml is equal to dash liter dash milliliter. Third one, 7025 ml is equal to dash liter dash milliliter. Okay, we'll write. So these all 7250 ml. So only we will take here 250 ml we will be separated, like how we will be 860 ml we will be separated. No, here take only 6000. Here we will take 7000. 7000 means answer we will get here how much? Here 6 like we can get. No, here same 7 liter 250 ml. 7 liter 250 ml. Same as it is here. 3000 means here 3 liter, but milliliters not mentioned, only zeros. We'll write here 0 milliliter. Okay, next here see same 7 liter. How much they can given here milliliter? 25 milliliter. Understood this one? Yes, students, I hope you understood up to 13.2. So in this lesson, so tomorrow we'll continue the rest of this lesson. Thank you for watching.